Hi friends, let me show you my new golf bag rack. This is great because it will help you to put all your golf stuff organized and don't have it all cluttered around, okay? Has different shelves and accessories. We are going to build it. Let's go. see, it's all together, and we are going to test it with my golf bag later, but you can see how nice it looks. You have this drawer here, different accessories, shelves here, and this will help you so the bag won't fall down, okay? And here, with these hooks, you can hang whatever you want from the sides, okay? So, let's try it with my golf bag. As you can see, friends, you can have your whole golf equipment in this cart. These hooks can help you to put things like your caps or towels. This accessory will help you so the bag won't fail, okay, like this. And in the side you have this rack here, so long equipment like this can be stored, okay. You also have this shelf. You can put your shoes here or whatever you want, and in this drawer you can have extra equipment, extra spikes, one driver screwdriver, and some extra balls. You can move it around easily with these wheels, and you can even put a brake on the wheels so they won't move when you are ready to store it, okay? So I think this cart, it's great, it's beautiful, and it helps you to have your stuff well organized and not clutter everywhere. Let me show you. You can see, you can move it around easily and store your stuff anywhere you want to store it at home and have everything neatly organized so you are ready for your next round of golf. Perfect.